Hi, as I stated in the last video, a bar graph is based off of categories, and a histogram is based off of ranges. So we're going to need ranges of numbers to build histograms. So we must have a range for each bar. And some good example ranges would be something like 0 to 5, 6 to 10, what would that be, 11 to 15. Those are some ranges that we could use. Or maybe you're going to go with a different range. I like 5s for my ranges. 10s are good for ranges also. So let's take a look at this one. So before I even start, I have to kind of create a range for this. A pet store owner had her staff count the number of fish in each tank. Use the data to complete a histogram. I'm going to go from, I'm going to go 0 to 10 for my ranges. So let's make a graph here. 0 to 10, that'll mean I'll have 3 bars. You cannot see what I'm doing, but I'll show you in a moment. Hopefully this will work. Let me zoom out a little bit. So my first range is going to be 0 to 10. Next to that, I'm going to go 10 to 20. And next to that, I'm going to go, excuse me, that should be 11 to 20. And I'll go 21 to 30. So how many of numbers are between 0 and 10? Well, let's count those up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 in the 0 to 10 range. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my first bar would be right there. I know you can't see. How about that? How many are in the 11 to 20 range? 11 to 20? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are in this range. So that's up here. And then how many are in the 21 to 30 range? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are in that range, which takes me up to the top. And there's my histogram. So histograms are based off of a range. Down here on the bottom, we have the range. And over here, we have the frequency within that range, how often it's occurring, something is occurring within that range. Let's make another one. Notice this one, it already has the ranges set up for us. So we have 0 to 4, 5 to 9, and I'd build a graph off of this. Notice that the graph needs to go up to 12, so this is going to be a pretty big one. I'm going to have 12 centimeters to make this work. I'm going to really zoom out. I am zoomed out. Okay. 12 centimeters to make this thing work. And how many different ranges do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters the other way to make this thing work. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can make this work. So my first one is 0 to 4. 0 to 4, and what do I have? I have 4 in 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my first bar right there. 5 to 9 is right here. This is 5 to 9, and that requires 2. The next one is 10 to 14, and that goes up to 2 also. 15 to 19, And that's going to go up to 12. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's my top one here. Use a ruler on that. Otherwise I'm going to get stuck. What's this? 20 to 24, and that goes up to 6. 25 to 29. That goes up to 12 also, so that's another one that goes all the way up to 12. $30 to 34 goes up to 4, which is right here. And then my last one, 35 to 39, that goes up to 12 also. Oh my goodness, lots at 12, don't I? This is a funny looking histogram. There we go. That's my histogram for this guy. You're gonna have an easier time with it because you're gonna be using the computers. I'm doing mine by hand. They're looking a little bit sloppy. Sorry about that. Okay, thank you for watching.